custodians of the local lands and waterways on which we live, work and fly. We pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. Seatbelt sign is still on. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. It is not permissible to retrieve any items with your checked-in baggage from the rear of the aircraft. For those passengers with premium tag hand luggage, just remain at the foot of the aircraft stairs and your bags will be brought to you. Please stay clear when opening overhead lockers as your bags may move during the flight. Remember to check your seat pocket for any personal belongings. As you do exit the aircraft, please wind your head on the low entry doorway. Whilst disembarking, we recommend that you use the handrail to assist yourself safely onto the tarmac. Smoking, vaping, and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted whilst disembarking and throughout the airport terminal. If your mobile is within reach, you may now switch flight mode off. However, please ensure your electronic devices are not in use while crossing the tarmac. And on behalf of Qantaslink and your team today, we'd like to welcome you to Burnie. Thank you for flying with us. We certainly hope you have enjoyed your flight.